Today we're going to be in my sister's very first home. I'm going to be helping her unpack, declutter, and organize a few spaces in her house. And our focus in today's video is the kids' room, the kids' bathroom, and the kitchen. So let's get started.
Truth is, I'm scared cause when I see you coming, all I wanna do is tell you that I love you. I know you're better off without me cause your tears stain.
Before we get started, I'm going to give you guys a really quick house tour. Like I said before, this is her very first home and I'm so excited for her. So the first thing you see when you walk through the front door is her living room, and connected to her living room is where she's going to be putting her dining room table.
I shouldn't ask you to try.
Alright, so obviously this is the kitchen. I love her big open sink. I wish I had a sink like that right now. Across from her dishwasher, you have the pantry. Down the hallway to the left, you'll come to a closet, and this is where her washer and dryer are located. Her appliances are going to be coming in the next couple of days. Then on the right, you'll see bedroom number 1. This will probably be the guest bedroom.
You said I'm out of second chances and I know that I'm the perfect.
Right next to the guest bedroom, you have the guest bathroom and kids bathroom. We're going to be decorating this for the kids though. And on the other side of that bathroom, you have the kids room. They're going to share a room, and here is their closet. My sister's bedroom is right off of the kids room, and here's her closet and bathroom. And back out to the front of the house, you have this side door, which is how she's going to access her backyard. If you've been following my channel for a while, you guys know we move around a lot. We are military, so we're pretty good at this whole moving thing. And my sister picked up a bunch of things that I recommended, and kind of like a move-in cleaning starter kit. You're going to need Clorox wipes, Dawn dish soap, bleach, floor cleaner, glass cleaner, your favorite countertop spray. She has some scent beads here for her laundry, any kind of all-purpose bleach spray or Lysol spray. We have two types here. We have the Clorox cleaner with bleach and then the Lysol all-purpose spray. Both are highly recommended. You're going to need toilet tablets. We're going to be washing a lot of dishes. He has a lot of new things and old things coming out of boxes. So dish pods, some sponges, vinegar you can use everywhere, detergent, and of course trash bags. You're gonna have a lot of trash. I highly recommend the outdoor trash bags for when you first move in. You're gonna have way more trash than normal, and you can also use those for your donations. And last but not least, cleaning cloths and a mop. Since the movers are not coming for the next day or so, we're gonna be unloading everything that she had at our house and everything that she kind of accumulated while she was at our house. You know, she would buy things here and there for her brand new house. So we're going to be taking all of that stuff in and help her kind of visualize where all of her brand new furniture and decor should go. So we originally got this kit for her laundry room, but her shelf in her laundry room is a little too high for these bins. So we're going to put a couple of them under her sink and a couple of them in her cabinets. All right, so it's the next day and the movers have come and gone and it's time to get to work. We're gonna start in the kitchen today. All of her brand new dishes have been cleaned in the dishwasher, so we're gonna put those away. The best way to tackle clutter like this is to determine what needs to be kept, what needs to be thrown away, and what needs to be donated. So that's what we're going to do first before we start to really organize the cabinets. Comment down below what your least favorite place or room in the house is to organize or unpack after a move. After this last move that we did, my least favorite room was the office.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that was.
And speaking of moving, if you're new to my channel, we are a military family. We move all the time, and we're gonna be moving this summer. We're really excited to go to a new location. We're gonna be going to Tennessee, and we put an offer out on a house out there, literally just from looking at it online and through our realtor out there. So cross your fingers, wish us luck. Hopefully we get it so we don't have to worry about where we're gonna live when we get there.
I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd do anything you want me to, 'cause I love you.
All right, so it's the next day, and I'm gonna be working in her kids' room. I didn't get any before footage. I cannot believe I didn't, but it was a disaster. There was toys and a bunch of stuff in this room that didn't belong. So what I did was I just got rid of everything that did not belong in this room. I got all of that out and I put it in the guest bedroom for now, and all of their toys are pretty much like stuffed in a corner right now. But the first thing we're going to be doing is putting the bedding on their beds, because I think this is the first night they're going to be staying in their house. And we picked up a bunch of bedding from the Pillow Fort line at Target, and here's a little overview of it. We're doing some greens, blacks, and whites, and I think it's going to be really adorable. So like I said, everything came from Target except for the sheets. I think she got the sheets from Walmart. The sheets have already been washed, so that's why they're sitting over there in a little pile. Once everything else is washed and dried, I'm gonna come back and finish the bed.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home.
Believe it or not, the bed actually took me forever to make up because she didn't have any boards underneath her mattresses, so the bedding kept falling through, so it took me a while to get it right, and it's still not perfect, but she is going to get some boards later on, so it'll be easier for her to make this bed every day. But I did a lot of stuff off of camera. Moving on to the kids' closet, I'm going to be putting up all their books in this little cube organizer. They are only 10 months and almost 4 years old, so they don't need a lot of closet space because they have a chest of drawers and a dresser where all of their clothes are gonna be. So we're gonna put their books in their closet, and then later on we're gonna get some toy storage, but for now I placed all of their toys that are in boxes in this little corner in their room. She is gonna order some black knobs to go on this dresser and chest. It'll go along with the theme a little bit better. For the most part, it's ready to go and as organized as it's going to be until they get their toy storage in here. And last but not least, we're going to be moving on to the kids' bathroom. Since this is the kids' bathroom, we are going to make it fun. My sister isn't afraid of color. Since we were in Target anyway getting a bunch of other things, we went ahead and picked up some things for the kids' bathroom. The shower curtain, rugs, all of the accessories that you're going to see are all from Target.
Promise you won't let me.
Keep in mind that anything that we do in today's video isn't a completed look. We're just here to help her get organized, find a home for everything, and get things that were purchased a while back out of the packaging and put up, like the shower curtain, things like that, so that they can actually start living in their home. So this isn't like a makeover video or anything like that. We're just here to help her get organized and get going in her new home. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.